Well, Centigrade's a medium-sized business. We employ about 16 staff. We install Packo Ice Banks, and they're brought into the country by Dairy Cooling Solutions. They're a quality item that provide assurance to the farmer that the dairy companies comply via the MPI regulations. We at Centigrade are really impressed with the quality build of these products. They provide everything that we need in a build. At Centigrade, we provide a 24-hour, 7-day service, and that is backed up by the Dairy Cooling Solutions team should we require it. In our area, there are a multitude of dairy companies. They include Fonterra, Tatua, Open Country, New Zealand Dairy Goat, Maraka, to name a few. So we need to turn around and be very flexible in our service. Our guys need to turn around and know and understand the requirements of the individual farmers and provide a 24/7 breakdown service. In fact, the quality of the product is probably the key focus for us as a company. We can't afford to turn around and have any failure, so we focus on doing things properly and doing it once and doing it properly.